Hi everyone, welcome to the channel once again. In this video, we are going to learn two functions. One is left and the another is right. These two functions are used to extract specific parts from a text. For example, in this data sheet, we have the data of an employee sheet. In this one, we have the first name of the employee, the last name, and the email address of the employee. So, if we want to extract the first five letters from the email address, we can do that by using the left function. In order to do that, let us first write the function followed by the text that we are going to use for the extraction, which is this one C2. So we are going to write the cell followed by how many numbers or how many characters are we looking to extract from this C2 cell. So in this example, we are going to extract only 5 letters or only 5 characters from the left. So we are going to write the number, close the bracket and put an enter. Now, if we look closely, we can clearly see that these are the 5 characters that are at the very beginning of this email address. If we drag this same formula down to the very bottom, we will get the result for the rest of the cells. In each and every result, the function will only extract the first 5 characters or the leftmost 5 characters of this email address. Now let us find the next function, which is write. The write function uses the same mechanism as the left function does. In this one, it will only select the last 5 characters or the rightmost 5 characters from the cell. Let us start by writing the first function. We will start by writing the function name, which is write, followed by the name of the cell, which is C2. In the same way as we have used in the previous function, we will write the number of characters that we are looking to extract from here. For an example, let us take 5 as an example. So this function will take the last 5 characters or the rightmost 5 characters from C2 and give us the result. If we put an enter, we can clearly see that this result is equivalent to the last 5 characters that we can see from C2. If we drag it down at the very bottom, we will get the rest of the result. So from here we can clearly see that the left and right functions extract the specific number of characters from both ends of a text. I really hope this video has helped you in understanding how these two functions work. The usability of these two functions extend much more than this example. We will learn about these two functions in much broader way in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.